In this video, I'll show you how to connect the Solana network to your MetaMask app on mobile. First, open the MetaMask app on your phone and log in with your password or biometrics. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play, because Solana support is only available on newer versions of MetaMask. On the home screen, look at the top of the app where you see your account name and network. Tap there to open the list of available networks. In that list, you should see Solana alongside Ethereum and other chains. Tap Solana to switch your wallet view to the Solana network. Once you're on Solana, MetaMask will show a Solana address for your account. Tap the address to copy it, and you can now use this to receive SOL and SPL tokens from exchanges or other wallets, just like any other crypto deposit. That's it. Switch the network to Solana, copy your address, and you're ready to use Solana inside MetaMask on your phone. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.